What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video, and this is another NIPSEY Hustle Day challenge. And what I want to talk about today is hustling books on Amazon. The same way Jeff Bezos created his Amazon business, he gives you an opportunity to hustle your own business on Amazon. Let me fix this. I think it's better. I'm not sure. I can't see from the other side. But anyways, he gives you a chance to hustle books. So it's only a couple of things that you need. I'm not going to go through the whole process of it. If you want more information, just send me a message in the discussion, whatever, and I can lead you to the way to get all the information that you need to hustle books. So this is all you need. Let me get a book. I'll be right back. Let me get a book. So let's say the 48 Laws of Power, right? You're gonna get yourself a scanner. It's a small scanner. This one's called the KDC 200. If you want more information, I can, like I said, I can lead you to the way how to use it and how it works. And you do need to set up a Fulfilled by Amazon account. But if I was you, set up the free account. I believe you can sell up to 40 products. I believe with a free account you can set up up to 40 products a month, if I'm not mistaken. But if you do have the $40 a month and money is not an issue, you can do it like that too. So you're gonna get the scanner, and this, you can see the red light. It's unfilled. You're gonna get the barcode, then you're gonna scan it, and then it'll give you the number. However, there's going to be another app that you need. It's called Scout IQ. Remember, Scout IQ. And you can get the app on Apple, the App Store. Scout IQ. And what Scout IQ does, it gives you a selling range of that book. And it lets you know if it's a good buy or not. It even tell you, it'll give you a green or a red. However, let's say if you buy something like this, the 48 Laws of Power. Let's say you get this for 50 cents. You can go to a flea market. You can go to a thrift store. You can go to book sales, library sales, anywhere you can find cheap books. The margins on books is crazy. So let's say you get this for $1. You scan it. You buy it for $1. Boom. Online, let's say they have it for $13.99. It's gonna be a whole setup. The quality, you always want to undermine the quality. So let's say if you have a great copy, put one class lower, because once that person gets the book, the product, they're gonna look at it and say, yo, this is better than what I thought. They're gonna leave you a better review on your Amazon page, on your Amazon store. So you can make $1 million just slanging books, just like Jeff Bezos did, depending how big you want to get with this. The reason why you can slang books, the margins are crazy. You can get a 25-cent book and sell it for $8. And imagine getting something for 25 and selling it for $8. The in between, the margin is just crazy. So, like I said, you can make $1 million selling books. Like I said, you're gonna need a scanner. You're gonna need Facebook, an Amazon account. Get the free one if you're just starting off. And then you're just gonna find places to buy books. You're always going to want your scanner, and then once you scan it, you connect this to the Scout IQ, and then once you get the Scout IQ, once you scan it, it'll tell you yes or no, or green or red, if it's a good buy, depending on how much you're buying it for, So if you can buy 48 Laws of Power for $1, is no issue. You'll make your money back. So you just got to hustle, a quick hustle, slanging books on Amazon. So if you want to do that, you can do it. Remember, if you want more info, just go in my discussion, ask me questions, and I'll lead you to the right place where you can get more information, how to set everything up, what else you would need, different things you can add. It's just crazy, man. The things that's available to you, how you're going to set it up, the different printers that you need so you can send out the whole box out to Amazon. Usually you can mail, I think it's 40 pounds at a time. You can mail it to them, and then you run your own store through Amazon. I mean, to me, it takes out the whole process of getting your own books, putting it on one by one. Just send it out to Amazon and let them deal with the rest, and you'll get to check monthly or however you programmed it to get. So thank you for watching my videos, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, the Nipsey Hustle Challenge. I'm going to put the books that he recommended in the bottom. So just remember, you're going to need a scanner, which is important. You can get them on eBay. You can get them, I believe, on Amazon, but I got mine on eBay. This is like 70, 80 bucks. You can quadruple your money in the first month. So remember the KDC 200, and it'll give you an outline. And then what you do is you stick it to your phone. What I do is, you see how you got this Velcro, you put it behind your phone. If you have a second phone that you don't use, you put that on there. You just scan away, beep, 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 scan, and do it as fast as you can, and you'll be good to go. Like I said, you want more info, on the bottom, Hustle Books. Peace.